I have tested hundreds of AI tools, and honestly, all of them are a complete waste of time. But these 5 are the 5 that I open every single day, and they are the reason why my business keeps running, even why I'm not sitting full-time with my laptop. Now, before I get into them, I want to quickly say something. AI is not going to replace you, but the woman who knows how to use AI, she's going to outwork you, she's going to outcreate you, and she's going to out-earn you every single time. So let me show you the 5 AI tools that I actually use, what each one of them does, and exactly how I use them for my business. But first, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I show you different ways to make money using AI every single week, and I don't want you to miss out on any of them. And also hit that like button, because it helps the algorithm push out this video to more people just like you and I. Okay, with that being said, let us get to the video. So here's what I want you to understand before I show you these AI tools. AI has completely leveled the playing field. Like the things that usually require a full team, like I'm talking about designing products, creating marketing content, copywriting, managing email campaign, you can now do all of that yourself in a fraction of the time. And as a woman who is building income around real life, real responsibility, real schedule, and a very limited time, that matters more than anything. These 5 AI tools are not just tools that I recommend, they are tools that I use every single day to run my business without worrying about having team. AI tool number 1 is Claude AI, and I want to explain how I use this because I use it completely different than the way other people do. What I do is that I upload a custom skill called the POD Content Factory into Claude, and this skill lets Claude do a proper deep research. I'm not talking about generic AI research or made up information. I'm talking about an actual deep research into things that are currently working on Pinterest and TikTok for my niche. Once I do this research, Claude AI go deep to pull up all this content format that are currently having saves, like, and views right now. What hooks are stopping people from scrolling? It pulls out information that is trending right now. And after pulling all this information, it now go ahead to create me a full content plan strategy around all those information. I'm talking about full month Pinterest strategy, TikTok content ideas based on the things that are currently working right now. We are not doing guesswork, okay? We are actually pulling out information of things that are working right now. This is what will normally take me hours trying to scroll on Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, and study all this pattern. But with Claude AI, I can literally do them in a matter of minutes. And the skill I'm talking about is available below the description if you want to use it. It's completely free, okay? So you can download it if you want. Claude has a free version, but I use the pro plan because the research depth and the outputs that it gives out is on another level. So it's worth every single penny. AI number 2 is ChatGPT. Now, before you say, wait, isn't that the same thing as Claude? No, they are not the same thing. They do completely different things in my business. Claude does the research and strategy, while ChatGPT does the creating. So here's what I use it for. First, design. I type in a prompt describing what I want to create, and then ChatGPT generates the design for me. It gives me high quality designs that are ready to put on a product. And the second thing that I use ChatGPT for is Mockup, and this one is the one that most people do not know about. What I do is that I take my design that I got from ChatGPT and then add it to ChatGPT and then just describe the scene that I want to create. And ChatGPT will go ahead and generate a realistic AI mockup. Maybe that is a woman drinking coffee wearing my t-shirt, or just sitting in the coffee shop, or someone just wearing my t-shirt in the kitchen settings, or maybe the outdoor settings. I'm talking about real-looking images without hiring a photographer or buying expensive mockup tools. And the third thing that I use ChatGPT for is Pinterest pin. Now, after Claude has done all those deep research for me to bring out all the pins that are currently trending, that I haven't saved and going viral on Pinterest, I now take those information to ChatGPT and use ChatGPT to write me a proper prompt to generate all those pins. And ChatGPT will literally generate me a whole month of pin. I'm talking about 3 pins per day, which is about 90 pins in a month. And after I have those pins, ChatGPT will now go ahead and write me the title, the description, the SEO SEO keywords, all the things that I need to make my Pinterest pin rank very high on Pinterest and get found by people who are searching that particular keywords. So basically, I use ChatGPT, which is just one tool to do 3 different things. And most people still use ChatGPT to just answer questions. The third AI tool that I use is called Higgsfield AI. Now, before I say anything, I want you to watch these videos.
Wait, what is this? Okay, hold on. No way. Book talk made me delusional. That's actually rude because it's true. No, I love this. Okay, I'm trying it on. Yeah, this is cute. I like this. I think this is really cute. Okay, I love this. Okay, so fully booked this weekend. That is literally my entire personality on a shirt. Books, tea, moon, no plans. This is not just a shirt. This is a lifestyle. Fully booked this weekend. And honestly, every weekend.
Okay, my bookie shirt just arrived, and I already know this one is about to expose me. No, because look at this. Fictional men ruined real men. If you read romance books, you already understand why this is a need. The design is so cute, the colors are pretty, and it actually feels really soft. This is giving book talk girl with unrealistic standards, and honestly, I love that for us.
Those videos you just watched is completely AI. Higgsfield AI is what I use to create my marketing content. I'm talking about scroll-stopping videos that showcase my product, even without me ordering samples or trying to film them myself. And the reason why I love Higgsfield AI is because it uses real looking people wearing your product, reacting to it, unboxing it, doing anything that you literally want it to do. And because it looks like a real lifestyle content, not like an ad, it actually do perform very well on TikTok and Instagram. People stop, they watch, and then they click to your store. So what I do is I use Higgsfield connected to Claude through something called the MCP, which means that Claude and Higgsfield can now talk to each other directly. I run just one workflow and they handle the research, the content plan, and then the video generation all in one section. So all I literally have to do is just to tell it what I want, and then they do the entire work for me. So AI does like 80% of the work while I do the 20%, because of course you also need like human touch, but that is basically just it. I have a full tutorial showing you exactly how I do this. I will leave the link below the description and also by the end of this video. For Higgsfield, I will not say it is free. They do have a free plan, but they give you very little credit to test, so you would not be able to do much. But honestly, it is worth every single penny. This literally just take away all the financial and mental stress that normally comes with running a print on demand, because you can now test product faster and create all this content even when you do not have your product at hand. So you don't have to wait till your samples arrive before you start creating content. You don't have to hire a photographer. You don't have to give your product to UGC creator who charge you like thousands of dollars in order for them to create you those content. And at the end of the day, they also do waste your time before they get that video to you. But with Higgsfield and Claude, you can literally generate all these videos in a matter of minutes while you just cross your leg and watch it do its thing. So I just shared with you 3 AI tools that I use for my business. The remaining 2 that I'm about to share are the ones that people are completely sleeping on, okay? So I want you to stay with me. AI tool number 4 is NanoBanana, and here is how I actually use this one. With this one, I don't normally use it like individually. What I do is I use ChatGPT to create design, and then I use that same prompt to create a different version in NanoBanana so that I can have 2 options. If I have like a mockup that I want to use and I feel like it is too busy, I use NanoBanana to take out those elements out of the background without it messing with the quality, because NanoBanana is very good when it comes to taking out objects out of images and it still leave your image quality exactly the same. NanoBanana is completely free to use, which is why I love it. Okay, in days where I just run out of ChatGPT credit, I can just use that for the meantime before I subscribe again. It is 100% free. You don't need any subscription, you don't need any account. You just go to the website and start generating. Okay, so if you cannot afford ChatGPT plan, then I'll advise that you go for NanoBanana. But I have to warn you, it's not always going to be better than ChatGPT, but sometimes it actually do surprises you. And just having that second option, which means that you are always going to go for the best when it comes to your design. AI tool number 5, I'm talking about Omnisend. This one is completely different from everything in this list because I do not use it to create anything. It just runs. Omnisend is an email marketing tool which connects to your Shopify store. When someone visits your store and sign up, Omnisend automatically send those people like welcome emails which help you introduce your brand, tell your story, and show your product in a different light. And when someone puts something in their cart without buying, Omnisend will help you, behind your back, send all this email automation to the customer to remind them on the things that they left behind. That one flow alone bring back sales that I would have never seen. These are sales that I would have lost from people who were already genuinely interested in my product, right? They're already interested, they wanted to buy, but then they got distracted and then just abandoned the cart. Omnisend help you bring back those people to remind them on the things that they left behind so they can actually pay for it. And the reason why I also love using Omnisend is because it is completely free to start with. You don't have to pay any monthly subscription. You can literally gather up to 250 customers before you start thinking about paying for their pro plan. I also do have a tutorial about Omnisend below the description if you want to learn how to connect this tool to your Shopify store so you never miss out on sale. I'm going to leave that video below so you can check it out and set it up for yourself as well. Trust me, you really do need it because this tool help you make money even while you sleep. This is how you just make passive income. So go check it out. Alright guys, so here is how all these 5 tools work together. Claude researches, right? It tells me exactly what is working right now on TikTok and Pinterest, and it helped me build a full strategy around that research. And then ChatGPT, I use that to create design and a whole month of Pinterest pin for the entire month. And then Higgsfield helped me create scroll-stopping marketing content without me ever having to order samples or pay UGC creators to create this video for me or even pay a videographer for a high-quality video. I just give it a prompt and what I want it to say, and boom, my videos are ready for me to start pushing to Pinterest and TikTok. And then for NanoBanana, it just gives me options. If I want a second design direction to compare to what ChatGPT has given to me, that is how I use NanoBanana. And then for Omnisend helped me follow up with my customer quietly in the background and bring people who would have never bought from me back to continue their purchase, which is why I love it so much. With these 5 tools, every single part of my business is covered, and you can try them for yourself using their free plan. Test them out and see how much stress those tools are going to save you. Now, you know these AI tools, but here's the thing. Tools are only as powerful as the strategy behind them. If you do not know your niche, if you do not know your audience, and what exactly makes your brand different, even the best AI tool will not save your store. If you are serious about building your print-on-demand business properly, I'm currently launching something called the 6-week Broke to Building POD Challenge. It is a step-by-step challenge where I walk you through every single thing. Your store, your brand, your content, your traffic, your first sales, week by week, action by action, so you never guess what to do at any given time. By the end of these 6 weeks, you will have a real store, a real product, and a real content system that is running for you and not against you. The next round is opening very soon, so I'm going to leave the link to the waitlist below the description so you can sign in and log in right now. Make sure you don't sleep on it. Go and join the waitlist so you'll be one of the first people to know once this challenge gets started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which one of these 2 you are already using for yourself or which one you are about to try. And you remember the video that I promised to show you on how I use Claude and Higgsfield AI to create full month of marketing content for my POD store? The link is right here. No filming, no model, just AI doing 100% of the work for you. Click on it and I will see you right there.